Welcome to Crypto News. I am your host, Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence and research. In this video, we're going to go over the financial markets breakdown of the macroeconomics and commentary to show you what is affecting Bitcoin right now and the wider cryptocurrency market. Now, before we jump into that, guys, if you want to get involved in the next Bitcoin layer 2 chain, if you're bullish on Bitcoin, then we do have this, which is called Bitcoin Hyper. And this is also a meme coin. So it's a meme coin and Bitcoin layer 2 chain narrative. Also, they raised $29 million, which is crazy. And people are aping into this live on the screen, as you can see. You can participate. People are participating using ETH and Solana, USDC, even USDT, and even CARD. So you can use a CARD, non-crypto method, and also BNB, right? So this has multiple audits for security. As we can see, Spywolf and CoinSalt, they're posting regularly and getting a lot of traction on social media. So feel free to check it out. The link is down below in the video description. New, early, and the latest upcoming project. Also, if you don't already have your own private KYC cryptocurrency wallet yet, then this is called Best Wallet, and you can download this, a mobile wallet, using the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Anyone globally can use and download this, and it's audited by Certic here, the best security in crypto, as you can see right here. And it's a multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial Best Wallet ecosystem, and so they have every single blockchain supported. And if you want to cash out your crypto profits into fiat currencies, you can with this wallet very easily. So that's pretty cool. And if you want to check it out, never have everything on one wallet or on one crypto exchange. Always be diversified across multiple crypto wallets. Never have all your eggs in one basket. You can check all of that down below. So Bitcoin being back around 91.5K here today. We have the stock market starting with the S&P 500. For the US stock market, it is near its all-time high. Okay, it is around 0.01%, and the Nasdaq, the tech stocks with Nvidia and so forth, that is minus 0.1 today. We do have the Dow Jones at minus 0.1, the Russell 2000 up 0.9%, and that, along with all these other indexes, are right at their all-time highs right now. The Russell 2000, again, is about to make a new all-time high, it seems, very, very close to hitting the all-time high. And then the US 30 Wall Street Index is also doing the same. The VIX, the volatility index, is very low. We do have the dollar index breaking down, which is pushing prices up. This is what's helping Bitcoin go up right now, is when the dollar goes down. However, we're bouncing off of this support level, horizontal sideways level here right now. We'll see what happens on the day. If we do break it, then we're going to break below and go right down towards here. We could go right down towards this level, or even lower down towards this bottom level here, right? So we'll see what happens with the dollar index. And then the US 10-year Treasury bond is currently going back up, but it's been trending down the whole year to sideways, which is a bullish catalyst for the markets as well. We do have this crazy Japanese crisis. However, this is the Japanese bonds going out of control in Japan. This means they have so much debt and so much inflation, and it means that the debt is only getting more expensive because interest rates are going up, which means the Japanese government obviously has a debt problem, and they have to, the only way they can solve it is to borrow more, but the only way to borrow more is to pay more at a much higher price. They can only borrow at these higher prices right now, which is really, really bad. Economic crisis happening in Japan. Plus, it's the Japanese yen unwind, or the Japanese yen carry trade unwinding going on right now also. We can see that reflected in the Japanese yen currency down here, which has been crashing down against the US dollar down to this low point, and then it started to go up as the Central Bank of Japan has started raising their interest rates, right? The pound is pretty steady, the euro is pretty steady. So it's the Japanese yen causing the most volatility in the dollar. Then let's check gold. Gold, guys, is going towards its all-time high again. It's really looking strong up here, right at the top of the range, as you can see. $4,200 the price for gold, and its all-time high is $4,380. So very close to its all-time high. Silver broke out just yesterday. Started exploding above 55. It broke out of the $54 price range, and now it's already hit as high as $59 today, hovering at $56. This is going to go to the moon, because if you zoom out on the silver chart, so metals like gold and silver are going to the absolute moon right now, just breaking out into price discovery mode. So that looks pretty interesting. Other commodities like copper also going up to all-time highs. So, you know, that is not necessarily good for risk assets like Bitcoin, but we shall see what happens next. Oh yeah, and oil. We should definitely check the price of oil. The price of oil is going down, so that's a good sign for inflation. Well, today it's up by 1%, but it's been trending down. So if that continues down, that would be a bullish catalyst for the market. Nvidia, look at this chart of Nvidia, guys, crazy. And it's let's go back to the daily. It's near its all-time highs also. We are in a massive, gigantic AI stock market bubble, which potentially may not be ending anytime soon. Strategy, MicroStrategy, full obliteration. The worst performing stock of all time, as you can see down here. We have never seen anything drop faster than this in history, and it has obliterated all holders. However, it could bounce back up just as quick because this is a very volatile stock. We'll see what happens next. Can MicroStrategy recover and go to the moon? Bitcoin, we've checked. We've checked ETH, which is around 3,000. Solana, 139. And then we do have Bitcoin dominance here, which if this breaks down could start altcoin season. So it's going sideways currently. So altcoin season, it is not the time for altcoin season right now to begin. Also ETH against Bitcoin. Let's see ETH against Bitcoin. There it is. That is currently broke out, made a bull flag, and we'll see if that goes up further. But this could have been the bottom here, down here for Bitcoin against ETH right at April 2025 this year. We did warn you in advance earlier about that. And we have Monero and Zcash, probably the top performing other altcoins in the crypto market right now. They're having corrections, but they could continue going up if Bitcoin flips bullish. What else? What else do we have available to jump into? Oh yeah, let's check the total crypto market cap. Well, I keep drawing on the thing with the drawing tools, and then okay, we'll go sideways, zoom out and pinch the chart and push it up. Okay, so now we can see it more clearly. This is the total crypto market cap, and yeah, if this is a new higher low, then this could continue going up and make a new higher high. The trend for this is quite good overall. The trend on the total 2 and total 3, however, looks much more bearish, and the others dominance as well keeps making new lower lows. So we'll see how that goes. And then yeah, what else? So the last thing we could check, guys, in this market, while Bitcoin is around 91.5, today is the fear and greed index, which is currently sitting at 27. We did get as low as like 8. It was absolute fear in the markets, but now it's slowly recovering. Altcoin season was all the way down as well. Now it's slowly also recovering to 23 here. We'll see what happens next on this. So that is your breakdown of the financial markets. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, and if you love daily analysis, financial knowledge, and cryptocurrency news, alpha, and the latest happening in the altcoin market, then subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, because we deliver to you guys the latest content just like this, like an Amazon Prime delivery package, guys, every day here, guys, on this channel.